Hi, question number 8. The expression 2x cubed plus bx squared minus cx plus d leaves the same remainder when divided by x plus 1 or x minus 2 or 2x minus 1. Evaluate b and c. Given also that the expression is exactly divisible by x plus 2, evaluate d. 8 marks. Okay, so here we are. Now, this expression can be divided by any of those factors. If a factor is x plus 1, then the value of x is going to be minus 1. So we're going to put minus 1 here. 2 times minus 1 to the cube is minus 2, plus b times minus 1 to the square is b, minus c times minus 1 is minus c, and we've got minus and minus, that becomes plus d. So this is how it becomes after we've put the minus 1 into that expression. Same goes for the second factor. We're going to put 2 here. So let us make it like this so you can follow me then. When x is equal to, let us say 2. This one was when x is equal to 1. Alright. Now when x is equal to 2, so we're going to have 2 to the cube, which is 8. 8 times 2 is 16. 2 to the square 4. 4 times b is plus 4b. 2 times minus c is minus 2c. And then you have got plus d. Now remember, these two, they leave the same remainder. That means all the expression here can equal to all of that. We can equate these two expressions. So minus 2 plus b plus c plus d is equal to 16 plus 4b minus 2c plus d. The d and d cancels out. Minus 16 comes on this side, becomes minus 16 minus 2 is minus 18. Okay, 4b minus b is going to be 3b. Minus 2c minus c is going to be minus 3c. All of that can be divided by 3. So you got minus 6. And divide this by 3, you got b minus c is equal to minus 6. And this is your first equation. Now, sorry. So we're going to have to divide by, if this is 2x minus 1, then x is going to be half. So we're going to put half in here. So let me just section this away. We can do it side by side. So half to the cube is 1/8. 1/8 times 2 is 1/4. Let me put it, 1/4. Then half to the square is 1/4. 1/4 times b is plus b/4. And again, half times minus c is minus half c. But minus half c is like minus 2c/4. Right? And then we got d, so plus d. Right. So, but d can be multiplied by 4 as well and divided by 4. So my point is I want to make it the same denominator. So it becomes a lot easier for me to perform any calculation later. Alright, I got 1 plus b minus 2c plus 4d. I'm sure you realize what 4 divided by 4 is 1. And that makes it d again. So here we are d. Right, so this is 4. Now that also leaves the same remainder as those two. So we can say this can equal to any of those. Let's take the easiest one. So minus 2 plus b plus c plus d is equal to all of that. Alright, so I'm going to say then 1 plus b minus 2c plus 4d. Okay, all divided by 4. And that's going to be equal to minus 2 plus b plus c plus d. So I got then 1 plus b minus 2c plus 4d is equal to the 4 goes on the other side. So minus 2 times 4 is minus 8, plus 4 times b is 4b, 4 times c is 4c, 4 times d is 4d. These two cancels out. So what am I left with? Minus 8, you send it on this side, becomes 1 plus 8 is going to be 9 is equal to 4b. The b goes on the other side, it becomes minus 4b minus b is 3b. Then I got 4c. The 2c goes on the other side, becomes 2 plus 4 is 6c. Excellent. So in here we can divide by 3. That's going to become 3 is equal to b plus 2c. I got my second equation. So this was the first one. So we can solve these two simultaneously and obtain the value of b and c. Now, here is b, here is b. So we can subtract the equation. Maybe I can subtract, whichever you want to do. You can say equation 2 minus equation 1 if you wish. So what is equation 2 minus equation 1? It's going to be minus b. So I'm going to say then b minus b, 2c minus minus c, so I've got plus 2c minus minus c. Then all of that is equal to 3 minus minus 6, 3 minus minus 6. Hence, b cancels out. I got 2c plus c, which is 3c, is equal to 9, and therefore c is going to be equal to 3, and that's the value of c. If we want to find b, alright, so we're going to say b is equal to, you can send the c on the other side, so b is equal to c minus 6. Because this is minus c, you send on the other side becomes plus c. So c plus c minus 6, and therefore b is equal to 3, because c was 3, minus the 6, and therefore b is going to be minus 3. Now, so b and c already evaluated. Now the expression is exactly divisible by x plus 2. Exactly divisible by x plus 2. What that means, it means that the remainder is going to be 0, because this is exactly divisible by 2. Alright, so if the remainder is going to be 0, what is the value of x here? So x is going to be minus 2. We're going to substitute minus 2 in here. So I got 2 times minus 2 to the cube plus b times minus 2 to the square minus c times minus 2 plus d, and all of that's going to be equal to 0. That's the remainder being 0. Excellent. So minus 2 to the cube is minus 8 times 2 is minus 16, and this is going to give me 4b plus 2c plus d is equal to 0. So I got minus 16 plus 4b, so plus 4 times minus 3, okay, minus 2c, 2 times 3, okay, and then plus d, and that's going to be equal to 0. So then minus 16 minus 12, alright, and this was plus 2c, isn't it? Yeah, plus 2, sorry about that. So this is going to be 6 plus d is equal to 0. So what can we say? We can say that all of that, so this is minus 28 plus 6, alright, and minus 28 plus 6 plus d is equal to 0. Minus 22 then, because minus 28 plus 6 is minus 22, so I got minus 22 plus d is equal to 0, therefore d is going to be equal to 22. And here we are for this question, 8 marks for you. Take care.